In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Google Ads ad schedule so you can run your ads during specific days and times. This can be a powerful tool for optimizing your ad campaigns, ensuring they reach your audience at the most effective times. So let's get started. First, open up your web browser and navigate to the Google Ads homepage. Once logged in, make sure you're on the main overview page of your account. This is your starting point. From here, look on the left sidebar for an option that says Audiences, Keywords and Content. Clicking that will take you a step further into your campaign settings. This section houses all the necessary tools for managing who sees your ads and when. After clicking through, scroll down to find Ad Schedule in the menu. This might just look like another one of many options, but it's crucial for tailoring your ads presence online. Click on Ad Schedule, which will take you to a page where you can see any existing schedules you might have or begin setting new ones. Now you need to click Edit Ad Schedule. This button will enable you to start customizing when your ads will be live. Next, you'll want to select the campaign you're setting the schedule for. There should be an option labeled Select a Campaign. Click that and a list of your current campaigns will appear. Choose the one you want to work on. Selecting the right campaign ensures that your custom schedule applies precisely where you need it. Now that your campaign is selected, go ahead and click on All Days. This is the default setting, but it gives you the flexibility to change the schedule based on your needs. When you click this option, you'll be able to choose specific days that you want your ads to run. With the days picked, it's time to edit the specific times. Click on the time settings to adjust when throughout your chosen days your ads should appear. You might decide that you want to target early mornings or late evenings, whatever works best for your audience. Don't forget, once you've tailored the days and times to your liking, click Save. This is an essential step as it will ensure that all your hard work isn't lost and your ads will run according to your new schedule. Setting an ad schedule on Google Ads helps maximize your reach and engagement by displaying your ads at optimal times. By taking these simple yet strategic steps, you can enhance the performance of your campaigns and make the most out of your advertising budget. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.